How to make an origami swan. Grab a piece of square paper or a regular piece and make it into a square by folding one of the bottom corners to meet the top. Make sure the sides are in line with one another before you crease it down. Cut or tear the end piece off. If tearing, fold it over and crease it down. Now open it up and reverse the fold. This will give you a neater tear. Now fold the sides in to the middle line. Turn the whole thing over and repeat with the same sides. Fold the pointy end over the top by around 1 centimetre. Then fold it down by around 3 to 4 centimetres. Now fold the whole thing in half. Pull the neck part out to a position you like and then crease it down. Do the same with the head. Lastly, to form the beak, pull and pinch the end down and then do the same coming back on yourself. Done.
Mummy, can I go down the lake? 'Cause there's a man giving out free bread.
What have I told you about that?
Don't take bread from strangers.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos.